Hi guys, and welcome back to the kitchen today. I've got two great recipes to show you, and today we're looking at our cereal. So we've got loops and we've got flakes. We do a strawberry and a chocolate, and we do the apple flakes. So you can use them as a cereal, but just like if they're in the cupboard, sometimes they need utilising. Not all kids like cereal in the morning. So we've done a Rocky Road, and I've got a cheesecake recipe to share with you today. So let's start with the Rocky Road. It could not be simpler. In my bowl I've got melted butter, I've got melted low protein or free from chocolate, and I've got some golden syrup in there. Put it in the microwave, 2 minutes, and it just melts and it's nice and smooth. In a bag I've put in some chocolate flakes and some strawberry flakes. I've then sealed it, and then all I've done is I've just bashed them all with a rolling pin. You want some different texture in there, so you want some dust, and you want some nubbly bits, and you want some full bits in there as well. So the crushed cereal goes in, and then we've got some free from or vegan mini marshmallows. At this stage you can add some dried fruit. You can add some freeze-dried raspberries, which is really nice in this. You can put some Skittles in there. You can add whatever candies you've got. Whatever you want to do to kind of make it your own, you can do it. And again, this is a great one for the kids to do because they like bashing up the cereal. It's easy to melt their stuff in the microwave. All you then do is coat all of this mixture like so. I put it in a tin today, but you can do it individually in muffin tins or in loaf tin shapes. Push all of that out into your lined tin. Let's get all that chocolate gooey out. And then just with the back of the spoon, all you've got to do is just press it in. Don't press it in too firm because you don't want it to be dense bar, you want it to be quite light. So just manipulate it, get it into the corners, put it in the fridge for about 2 hours and it will set up. If it's a hot day or a hot week, you can store it in the fridge. I've just cut it up into bars, but you can do it into whatever shape you want to do. Great for snacks, great for lunch boxes, or great just for a treat or a dessert after tea. So that's the first one using that. The second one we've got is a cheesecake recipe. So I've not seen a kind of cheesecake recipe, so I kind of thought, oh, let's have a look. And everybody's going mad for biscotti at the minute, so I'm going to do these as biscotti. So in my jug I've got a quantity of our double cream. So that is the white sauce that's flavoured with vanilla. When it goes cold, we then whisk it. I've then added in the cream cheese, which is the low protein cream cheese, or you can use a free from. Whisk that in, and then you get a nice mixture like that. At this stage, you can flavour it, so you can crush some raspberries in there, or some strawberries, add some cola, add some ice cream sauce to that, flavour it however you want to do. You can put cinnamon if you're going to do the biscotti, because it's kind of got that flavour together. Just then to lighten this mixture, this is some meringue, which we've done on another video, so please have a look and do that. I'm just going to fold some of that meringue in just to lighten it a little bit, because it's a little bit dense at the minute. So just cut through with your metal spoon. And that's your cheesecake filling done. This will firm up when you put it in the fridge. So in the bottom of the glass, again, I've just got some crushed cereal with some melted butter, and I've put that in the glass first, and then I've put on top this cheesecake mixture. You don't have to do the cereal in the bottom, you can just have cheesecake on there, or do whatever you want to do. You can do a big one and slice it so the whole family can use it. Just to then go on this, I've got some of the the Scottish sauce, which I'm just going to drizzle over the top. Like so. And then we've got Scotty biscuit. One biscuit is 0.4 grams of protein, so again, about half an exchange. Let's do the other one so you can see that. And again, nice for a dessert or a special occasion, nice for Christmas or Easter, birthdays, if you've got friends coming over. Dead simple, dead easy to make, and with ingredients that you have in the cupboard. And again, another biscuit on top to do that. So there you've got your Rocky Road and your cheesecake. All of the recipes again are on Low Protein Connect, so you can look at that via Facebook and Instagram. If you've got any questions or you want to know any more information or about the cereal, leave us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as. And I'll see you next time in the kitchen. See you later.